Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya
Net Foodish Ordar mapi Minwan ramangi Hakerdob ying jongpi
Komisi Bentang Berkentia Wiki Self-Help Group Jangga Jela, kami Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society, ringkat kecing trelang berke usha silai, kelepen long ke 5th Meghalaya Saras Ajivika Fair ke belas dang naduk ke santri kunopra arajar pausau. Badai ke bawaan sepenkut hak santri kunopra arajar pausau. Hak jempen long ke yota masa ke Ratsan Group kemudian hak senang mau yong rem shilong, kidan bondli ki kenhun Self-Help Group ke belapen i ki sabshna jingshna dagi kti penyak yo hak leng ke jela. Haga kat lain kuna opera arajar pausau kami Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society lamba ke usha silai kelepen long ru ke jingpin iriam ni ke fashion show haka balai shimbenta digi dekat jong ke self-help group badai ke jam lapong digi nong shimbenta lapin bit penbiang ni sup bermandur hi digi dekat jong ni self-help group haka balasa kilang du principal secretary bakbi iketrat textile ke sarkar jilla ba Frederick Roy Kharkongor ublalong kumukongsan ringkat ke jinon lang jong chief executive officer kami Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society UCH Ramakrishna Original Manager Jangka Usha International Limited Usaikat Nasar.
I'm Ramkrishna, CEO, Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society. Saras Ajivika Fair, as of now we are conducting it every year. Going forward, we want to conduct it twice in a year. It is an opportunity for our local SHG women and the SHG women from different parts of the country to come together and to sell their products, to sell the SHG products. This actually gives our SHG women an access to the markets. Last year we conducted it in Polo Ground. This year, because of unavoidable circumstances, we are conducting it here near Umiam. Despite the last minute change in the venue, the footfall and the reception has been really good. This year also we are expecting a sale of upwards of 90 lakh rupees by the end of this fair in the next 2 days. I am very impressed with the response to the crowd, and we will make every effort to provide market linkages, branding and marketing to our SHG women all across the country. Our SHG women are also going and participating in the Saras fairs across the country. In all the states, we are encouraging them to explore those markets so that they can have a market not just within Meghalaya, they can sell their products across the country and outside the country also. From MSRLS, we are extending every support to empower and to enhance the livelihoods of our SHG women and to make them Lakpati Didis. I hope going forward, the other phase will also be as successful as this one, and also I wish our SHG women all the very best. Thank you.
big round of applause. I think they deserve it. They all look very pretty. Please clap for them. gentlemen, Nehaji Selfie, Sulakari, Usuki Country. Laha gentlemen, Nehaji Selfie, Sulakari, Usuki Country.
Blending the indigenous patterns with modern designs. I have seen many costume displays because I am in the textile department, but I must say that this is something which is very special because not only is it stitched and designed by the participants, but they also did the round of modeling. So I think they deserve a big applause for all their efforts. Ko apna ikbule kripang ye gitu ki ba la shimbenta hakane ka program kamtam gitu ki bala so ki bala design but agaju ko por ki ba wan hakane gransan man bini ye ki riam ki ipong jungkiro. In the textile department we always promote farm to fiber, fiber to fabric and fabric to fashion, a comprehensive set of activities that should be indigenously packaged from the state for the state and to be local, to be vocal for local, as they say. I am particularly happy and delighted to see that the Kneng embroidery was displayed here at this forum, at this platform, and because it was a dying art, the Kneng embroidery, though it is 200 years old, was a dying art, and it was left to only about 10 women. 10 women were there who were practicing Kneng. But I'm happy to see that now there's a resurgence, and it was wonderful to see all those designs and patterns which were displayed by the SAG members, by the crafts people up here, with the help of MSRLS and Usha, who have come together in this beautiful effort. There's a synergy of various teams who have come together to ensure that there is a resurgence and a new recognition of the traditional arts. Having said that, it's indeed a very laudable initiative on both the part of the MSRLS as well as the Usha to ensure that there is the empowering of women, there is the skilling of the SAG members to give them a new sense of hope. I was sitting with Mr. Ramakrishna and I was asking him, what is the Hindi word for Usha? So he said it's dawn, the dawn of new hope. And also I would like to talk about Urja. Urja is energy. So combination of Usha and Urja between MSRLS and Usha together, I think, creates a wonderful outcome. So there's a combination of the dawn of hope and the energy and the passion that brings together a beautiful outcome like the one that we have seen. And I think MSRLS and Usha deserve a round of applause. Talking about this synergy, I think the other quality that will always work is something that sounds like a degree, but it's not. I'll talk about PhD. PhD, not in the sense of a doctorate, but PhD, where P stands for passion, H stands for hard work, and D stands for diligence, devotion, and dedication. I think it's a combination of passion, hard work, devotion, diligence, and devotion that brings together wonderful outcomes, meaningful outcomes, and we are very hopeful that this partnership between the MSRLS and the Usha will go to the next level and will bring about new momentum and new dynamism into the livelihoods and into the empowerment of our last mile, because they say that little drops make an ocean, and it is small efforts like these which combine and bring about huge results. To take the example of Amul, which is the Anand Milk Union Limited, where farmers who had very limited capacity for bringing milk, when they were organized together into the Anand Milk Union Limited, now we know it as Amul. It has gone beyond the district of Anand, beyond the state of Gujarat, beyond India, and now Amul is a brand that is recognized all over the world. In the same way, the efforts that you have put in together by both the agencies, MSRLS as well as Usha, I think together it's a powerful combination, as I said some minutes ago, of Usha as well as Urja, and may this hope continue to be implanted and this seed continue to blossom and also new roots and new wings take shape with hopes and dreams for the SHG members. I thank all of those who are involved in this beautiful endeavor, and I wish more power to all of you, and we hope that there will be spectacular results in the years ahead through this partnership. Once again, good evening and thank you very much.
Ngadi ba Donald Lewis Kramanjat ngadi rapo MSRLS tengi di ba office jungi dia penyaji ketika show menta ketika saras fair pelong manu sinami sin sinam last year pelong benai ni mentai tas dan benai Desember tegani ga jisha ni show ngi rap ki SSG ki senglong kami khamtam hi ki bawan keleng-keleng ga ri Meghalaya ki di SSG ki promote ki products jong ki raduk ki krai raduk ki bonjat mo ki handicraft ki jan ki ter ki snala de mo dan khamtam ki bale food processing kerup ki bisna ashar ki bale cake ki bale la bonjat te kani ga kali kalong ka platform ki ngi ai platform ki ben khamtam hi ben market yakni ki jingbam juki te kumno ben ngin support ki local khamtam hi ki min ngai ka kenja platform ki ka market place ben kini promote yakni ki jingbam juki SSG te laju sembu la ki bon ki SSG ki basem beta keleng-keleng ki blok do ki do Islam le maupun do labon keleng-keleng do west do ki district Perkhoi te khamtam hi ko ai musim mo ki products ki local products ben kan biang standard bat ki wei pat ki products ki bawan bari khamtam ki keleng-keleng ki India mo kin ya hap kat langka standard te sukiskinya promote ni supaya saya thong mo jingwan pat ba te berikan ni ka jekas ni ka khamlong kendong imo bat ka blok berke disangi lapan nyimut penlong apa polo tang ya jingwan yu ba random sini tang ya bangsing ya shift no sini then maybe next year nyimut penlong ya polo hi man julong hi man ka port tam this time tang ya bangsing ya shift no sini te jingwan pat ba ki bon hi tang su dunan ok beri ka la kham jengai hi rapo Shillong kawiru ka traffic wa Shillong la pindik hi ke gai takatai
kakatang chonga dai ambiyo sumsong shonga sa hapo khamau ka ba hapo ma kon blok bat kakatang ka SSG chonga ka dai matcha prang SSG ka ba hapo khamau bat ka kakatang chonga ka VO ka chongi ka dai ka renti lang VO bat ha kata ka VO ngidon Sun Group hakane ka saras fair mentang ngawan raya uni millet powder nanta millet cookies nanta millet pineapple cookies nanta buhucia millet nanta banana chips tapioca chips bat ki namkin millet namkin bat donut bat lemington bat sibon ngamla ban cer ketang hangni bangi wan ra kacimentoy ka bangi yo lengba kani ka saras fair ka longba ngiyo ki idea ki babun langba kini ki bayawan lang hangni ban shop stall ngiyo ban yo idea kumno ban leb ha ya ki kam ki cham ki chongi bat khamtam ru kapen itu ya ki department ki bapher ya ka bangin la ban ya chaprang langba kani ka kam ka bangi ngitrai kum ke SSG Kerteng jonga mar bedra kenter ngadi na East Kasihir District mau Sendram Block ngadi national mau kapan senten tem hakani kapor nga wan hakani ka Saras Fair ba lapenya daka MSRLS te nga ngu ban nga komen sibun bang ayo wan hakani ka fair bangi la ban yakendu yaki customer ki ba long yakendu ki customer ki ba fair te ngi la yo hi ban kentiu bat ngi la yo ru nek yak ban yakendu yaki wi ki banabar te ngi la kendu kumtut mat khmat te ngi la yo ki order te ngi long ngi dap da ka jeng komen ka bakrau bangi la yo yakani ka lat bangin la ban kentiu yakini ki jing than ki ba hakadong ba ka than jongi ki bangi la penmi yakini ki marthan nadu kapor ba menswa hanrei long kiwi ki nadu kapor ba menswa ki la yo ngi la dan hi kani ka jing yak kentiu bat hanna kalyang jonga pat long tang menta arsnem laisnem ngadang long ngadang wan hakini ki fair ngadang smutu bat ngadang yo mat dalade te ngadap da kajing sukumen ka bakrau bat tang ki ba long ki ba la yo mat tharai ki smutu khamha bat nga kentiu ru ki para member SSG ki badan haki dong bat ki than jong kani ka dikhasi jongi bakin kentiu ye la ka jong kasap nang ba ngin kiu shaprang ba nga kermen ro o lengba kini ki fair ngin sayo bat pin sayo I hi la ki jong ki khamat bat pin nang tik ki jingbut jing perkhat ba pin nang la ban trei ban kta wan la kando ka kamro te tang kani nga hakani ka janmet ka ba minta nga ai khuble phi barak khuble shi jang